Back, everybody. On today's topic, I told you I'd do it in a later video, so we're going to do it today. This is an 80% Lennox furnace. This is one of my example furnaces that I'll be using for a lot of my videos. They're easy to work on, and it's fairly easy to get in here to show you different things, take them apart, show you how they work, and all that fun stuff. So what we're going to be doing today is actually we're going to show you how to make sure that the reading on your flame sensor is working. Most of these guys, as far as the readings go, they're going to be different for every furnace. But I can tell you, majority of these furnaces out there, you want your readings to be above 3 microamps. And microamps I will show you how to take in just a second. But first thing first is I have the power off. So we are going to go ahead and turn the power on to this. We're going to let this thing cycle up, let the burners come on, heat up, and as you can see, this furnace is twin, which means that both furnaces actually compare and equal out to be one big furnace. These are both actually 110,000 BTU furnace. So I'm in a church, so it makes it real easy to warm up the area upstairs that they're trying to heat on Sunday morning when you guys come in to visit church and it's really cold outside. They do this, makes it a lot easier to heat. And we have ignition. Okay, so now we're going to let it run for a second, let it get up to speed for a little bit. As soon as I pull the wire off the flame sensor, it's going to kill the flame, and then it's going to try to relight. So while we're waiting on it to warm up for a second, what we're going to do is we're going to take our meters. We're going to look for this symbol right here, which is microamps DC. Okay, this is how we're going to get our reading. The other thing that you want to do is, if you have it, which I do, I just got to get it out. Gator clips are helpful here. Just so you're not trying to hold everything all at once and discombobulate yourself. Blower's just kicked on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys down for a second. I'm going to plug the clips into the meter. Alright, just like so. Okay, fancy little alligator clips. So now, what we're going to do, and we want to try to be quick about this, is pull the wire off. You're going to take one clip and attach it to the sensor. You're going to take the other clip and put it on the other end of the wire. Now, you want to hold this so you don't take a chance of shorting it out or anything. Now, this time the furnace will be cycling back up. As you can see, the igniter's glowing, which we've already checked in an earlier video, so we know it's good. It's going through its 30-second warm-up period. Then we have ignition. Okay, now we actually have a reading on our flame sensor. This is in microamps, so that is 2.2 microamps. That is a good reading on a Lennox furnace. So we know that this flame sensor is working. We know it's good. So what we can do is we can take these clips back off, and see, we lost the flame burner because we lost the rectification back to the board. It tells us, hey, there's no flame here, we need to shut off. Because it's not sending the signal back to the board any longer. It's just a safety device. It's kind of like an airbag in a car. It keeps your head from going to the windshield most of the time. As long as you're wearing it, the seatbelt, and properly fastened into the vehicle. It should work the way it's supposed to. So, other than that, if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next video. Thank you.